Welcome back. We've built our presentation structure with slides and layouts. Now it's time to add the most important ingredient, our message. And that message is delivered through text. But simply typing words on a slide isn't enough. The way your text looks, its formatting, has a huge impact on whether your audience finds it clear, professional, and easy to read. Let's learn how to format text the right way. Entering text in placeholders. First, let's talk about where to type. Your slide layouts contain placeholders for a reason. When you use these click to add boxes, PowerPoint automatically applies the correct font, size, and color that is part of your presentation's design theme. This ensures consistency. While you can add text anywhere with a text box, sticking to the placeholders is a best practice for a structured presentation. Making text scannable with bullet points. Imagine an agenda slide with all the topics written in one long paragraph. It would be a wall of text. The best way to present lists or key points is with bullet points. When you're in a title and content placeholder, PowerPoint is often ready to create a bulleted list for you. As you type and hit enter, a new bullet appears. Here's a pro tip. You can create subpoints to show a hierarchy of information. After hitting enter for a new line, just press the tab key. This indents the bullet, making it a subpoint. To go back a level, hold shift and press tab. This is a fundamental skill for organizing information clearly. Basic formatting with the Mini Toolbar. Now, let's make our text stand out. The most common formatting tools are on the Home tab, but for even faster editing, PowerPoint has a feature called the Mini Toolbar. When you select any text with your mouse, this faint toolbar appears right next to your cursor. If you move your mouse over it, it becomes solid, giving you instant access to the most important formatting options. Let's look at the essentials. Font and font size. You can change the typeface and size to make text more readable. But a good rule is to stick to just one or two fonts for the whole presentation to keep it looking clean. Bold, italic, underline. Use these for emphasis, but use them sparingly. If everything is bold, then nothing stands out. Font color. Great for highlighting a keyword or to match your company's branding. Alignment. You can align your text left, center, right, or justified. As a general rule, titles are often centered, while body text is aligned left for easy reading.
Let's practice these skills in your presentation. 1. Go to your agenda slide. Type 3 items for your agenda, each as a separate bullet point. 2. Now, on the second agenda item, press enter and then tab to create a subpoint. Type details for item 2. 3. Go to another slide and type a key achievement. For example, increased sales by 15%. 4. Select that sentence. Use the Mini Toolbar that appears to make the text bold and change its color to dark blue.
Fantastic! You now know how to enter text using placeholders and how to format it for clarity and impact. Remember, the goal of formatting is not to make your slides flashy, but to make your message as clear as possible for your audience. The text we've been working on is for your audience. But what about text that's just for you? In our next and final lesson for this module, we'll cover your secret weapon for a confident delivery, speaker notes. See you there.